everyone, this is Eileen McGaughy with the NCWorks Career Center in New Bern, and I'm here to give you the weekly update of all the great opportunities available in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico counties. We're going to start with the weekly job board. This is just a very small list of some of the great opportunities available in our local area. Now let's take a peek at some of the companies and local agencies who are looking for great talent just like you. Now, if you want to apply or get a referral for any of those jobs that you're interested, you will need to register with NCWorks. So again, you're going to go to www.ncworks.gov. Please be sure to enter a professional email address, your phone number, and address, and you can also upload a resume at ncworks.gov. Now, if you need assistance with any of this or a password reset, just give our office a call, 252-514-4828, or stop by the office. We are open at 2836 Noose Boulevard in New Bern. Okay, so coming up this week, we've got a couple of events for you. We have a hiring event on Wednesday, March 16th. New Bern Housing Authority will be here, and they are looking for a resident opportunity and self-sufficiency coordinator. They will be here from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then on Friday, March 18th, we will have the next installment of our Marketing You series, 30-second elevator speech. And again, this series is in preparation for the CravenWorks Job Fair coming up on Tuesday, March 29th at New Bern Riverfront Convention Center. So in summary, we have covered the weekly job board, and this is just a very small list of some of the companies who are hiring. We also went over some of those companies who are looking for special talent like you. We have a hiring event this week, Wednesday, March 16th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. with New Bern Housing Authority. We have a workshop, part of the Marketing You series, the 30-second elevator speech, and that's it for the update. So we wish you a wonderful week, and we thank you so much for watching. Take care.